You're about to watch a video where an artificial intelligence predicted what product will go viral in 2026. And the scary part is, it's probably right. Not because AI is magic, but because it analyzed 47 million TikTok videos, 12 million Amazon listings, and 3 years of failed Shopify stores to find the pattern nobody else sees yet. And when you hear what it found, you're going to realize you either move now, or you're watching someone else make 6 figures off this exact thing by next summer. Here's how it started. A group of data scientists built an algorithm specifically to hunt viral products, not trending products, viral ones. There's a difference. A trending product is something people search for. A viral product is something people can't stop talking about, can't help but show their friends, and most importantly, can't resist buying within 72 hours of first seeing it. The algorithm didn't use hunches. It used pattern recognition across social platforms, search velocity, competitor saturation, and something called emotional resonance scoring. It measured how many times a product appeared in comments, how fast engagement grew, and crucially, the sentiment shift from "that's cool" to "I need that." The AI ran 10,000 simulations based on products that went viral between 2022 and 2025. It reverse-engineered what made a product move 50,000 units in 2 weeks versus what made a product sit in warehouses. It found that successful viral products share 6 specific characteristics, and most dropshippers don't know even one of them. The algorithm weighted these factors, fed it forward into 2026 market conditions, and produced something wild, a product category that hasn't exploded yet, but all the foundational signals are there. The product category is personalized smart home gadgets for pets. Before you close this video thinking everyone's doing pet products, listen, the AI didn't predict generic pet toys. It predicted a very specific subcategory, interactive pet devices that use AI to learn individual pet behavior and create customized activity patterns. So, think of it like this. Imagine a device that actually watches your dog, learns whether your dog prefers fast-moving lights, or maybe slow patterns, figures out if your cat responds better to high-pitched or low-frequency sounds, and then, well, it automatically creates entertainment routines that are unique to that specific animal. The more you use the device, the smarter it gets. It honestly becomes almost irreplaceable. Now, why is this such a big deal? Well, it's because the market conditions are just perfect right now. Pet spending reached $136 billion in 2024. Pet owners are treating their pets more and more like family members, and, they're willing to pay premium prices for anything that makes their pet happier or less anxious. But here's the thing, most pet products still treat every pet exactly the same. Throw the same toy at every dog, assume every cat wants the same thing. What the AI discovered is that the real emotional trigger isn't just "my pet will like this," it's this "device understands my pet better than I do." That's the language shift we're seeing on social right now. And honestly, that's the gap in the market. The algorithm also took a good look at production costs. These days, smart pet devices with basic AI capabilities can be manufactured in China for about $18 to $26 per unit. Just 2 years ago, that would have been $45 to $55. The technology has simply become cheaper. And when manufacturing costs drop while demand is rising, that's when the money really starts to flow in. The window of opportunity opens and, well, it closes fast. But here's where most people miss the play entirely. They see AI pet device and think, well, I'll source this from AliExpress and sell it on Shopify. Wrong move. The AI found something else in the data. The products that actually went viral in this adjacent space weren't sold as generic tech. They were sold through a very specific narrative. The best performing listings told a story about loneliness, about separation anxiety, about pets waiting at home all day. They showed before and after stories of anxious dogs becoming calm after using the device. They used testimonials from pet owners who said things like, My dog was destroying the apartment when I left for work. This changed everything. That emotional narrative layer is honestly crucial. It's not a gadget, it's a solution to a pain point the pet owner already feels guilty about. You're not selling technology, you're selling relief from guilt. That's the difference between a product that just sits there and a product that moves 5,000 units a month. The AI also identified the ideal price point, $79 to $129 per unit. Below $79 and, well, it feels cheap. Customers worry it won't actually work. Above $129 and you lose impulse buyers. The sweet spot is $99 with a limited time offer at $79. That creates urgency while feeling like a deal. The margin math at $99 selling price, $26 cost. $15 marketing spend leaves $58 per unit profit. If you move 200 units a month on a single store, that's $11,600 monthly profit. And honestly, that's conservative. Now here's where the false floor drops. Everyone watching this right now will think, okay, I'll source this product and launch my store. And honestly, most of you will fail. Not because the product isn't good, but because the algorithm predicted the product category, not the execution. There are going to be 500 dropshippers launching AI pet devices in the next 6 months. Some will make money, most won't. The difference isn't the product, it's what happens after you've sourced it. The companies that will actually dominate this space are the ones that build community around it. Not just listings, they're creating TikTok accounts that show the AI learning in real time. They're building private Discord servers where customers share videos of their pets using the device. They're turning customers into content creators. When your customer base is making viral videos of their own pets with your device, you've stopped running ads. You've started a movement. The algorithm predicted this too. It found that products with user-generated content campaigns saw 3.7 times higher repeat purchase rates and 5.2 times higher customer lifetime value than products with only brand-created content. Here's the real trap though. The products that go viral in 2026 probably aren't going to be the ones that look slick and polished. They're going to be slightly rough around the edges, slightly imperfect, because, well, perfect-looking products feel like they're made by a corporation trying too hard. Viral products feel like they're made by someone who understands the problem deeply, someone who's been there, someone who built this because their own pet inspired them. The AI found that the most successful listings included creator origin stories. I built this because my lab had crippling anxiety beats a sterile product description every single time. There's one more layer the algorithm found, and this is the piece that separates people making $5,000 a month from people making $50,000 a month from this category. It's the email sequence. The AI analyzed the email behavior of people who bought AI pet devices and found that the customers most likely to buy again, leave reviews, and refer friends were the ones who received a specific sequence. First email, day 1, is a quick setup guide. Second email, day 4, asks for a video of the pet using the device. Third email, day 8, offers a discount on a second device for a different room. Fourth email, day 14, shows customer stories, real videos, real animals. That sequence alone increased repeat purchase rate by 240%. So let's be honest about what this means for you right now in December 2024. The window is open, but it's closing. In 6 months, when this video has 500,000 views and everyone's heard about AI pet devices, the margins compress, the market gets crowded, the early winners are crowned. The algorithm predicted that the brands launching between now and March 2025 will capture 60% of the revenue for this category in 2026. That's not a guess. That's a pattern that's held true for every viral product category the AI analyzed going back to 2020. But here's what keeps you up at night about all of this. Even knowing the pattern, even knowing the execution, even knowing the email sequence and the pricing and the narrative, most people won't move. They'll watch this, think that's cool, and go back to their scroll. Inertia is stronger than insight. You can have the map, you can have the play, but if you don't move when the window's open, you're just watching someone else win. The real question isn't whether AI pet devices will go viral in 2026. The question is whether you'll be the person selling them or the person wondering why you didn't.